enabling two-factor authentication on your Klarna account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your Klarna account. Visit the Klarna website or open the Klarna app, then enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings option, usually found in the menu or profile section. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings, locate the security settings section. This is where you will find options related to account security, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to choose your preferred method, such as receiving a code via SMS or using an authentication app. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Follow the prompts to complete the setup, which may include verifying your chosen method. Once done, make sure to save any changes to ensure two-factor authentication is activated. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Klarna account with two-factor authentication. Make sure to keep your authentication method secure and updated.